Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today, whoa, I'm so excited to show you a very special and very beautiful, and I think every girls and Hello Kitty fans cannot refuse phone, and it's the Hello Kitty, yes, CV2 Xiaomi Special Edition. And today, yes, all the stuff is in front of us, and as we can see, this time they provide a very big and very delicate, good quality case. As we can see, we can open it like this. Yeah. Here. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. And now all the boxes and accessories are in front of us. But accuracy quality of the case is very, very nice and very heavy as well. And inside the books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. The first is about the imitation from Hello Kitty and Xiaomi. This is the Xiaomi Hello Kitty imitation letters. And then after the imitation, we can find that the Xiaomi Civi2 smartphone, and also the charging cable, and also the badger, the Hello Xiaomi Kitty badger, and also the other hangings is in this part. And also under this part here, we can get a lot of the bags for the girls, and also hangings and decorations and garnitures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, 7. Yes, 7 box, and we can find they provide a lot of the bags and special decorations for the fans, and also the here this one is the gadget kit. Is the Hello Kitty gadget kit. Okay, it's very quality and very cool, very nice, very lovely gadget kit, and also other hangings. So this is pretty cool, and also this is one of the best co-branded product I've ever unboxed. It's they do it. I think they do it with all heart, and also for this attentive gadget, co-branded products can really be valued for this brand, for the fans. And yes, here is the hangings. Okay, good quality hangings. Yes, I will see why. But provide so much accessories, and it's really heavy when I get these books. You can see the box is very good quality, and it's a leathered material cover, and also the mantled lock and bar kit, very good quality and very big. And also the letters and all the stuff is in pink colors. But I will say one thing I think they should do better is that for the CV accessory and the fonts, they just use the normal fonts. Actually, it's not customized fonts, just normal fonts, and they put normal fonts in the books. So this, I think they should give it better. And but all in all, yes, for the accessories and hanging decorations, garnitures, and the gadget kit in these books, to make this phone is really nice, and I think girls cannot refuse it. Whenever say my wife saw this box and see all the stuff, he feel exciting and just shouting, screaming. Yeah, she said she really like the books and the designs. Okay, now I have to take these two box out from this, and as we can see, this is the power bank they provide. Is a customized power bank from Hello Kitty and Xiaomi, and yes, it's really cute Hello Kitty power bank. And also next, I'm going to check other accessories, main accessories, and then we will go to the smartphone. And we can see here is the letter. Yes, the letter. It's the letter. Hello Kitty letter. Okay, we will open it later. And also here are some bags. There's the bags. Use this to put your card or your other things inside. Also, you can make it as your makeup case, and also here the shiny covered small bag. You can use this to put your TWS phones into it, and also here some badges. Very small badges. Decorate your bag. Use also badger. Yes, more hangings. You can use this to decorate the bags. Yeah, some mantle hangings, necklace. Yes, use these hangings with the bags, so we can hang it in your shoulders. And yeah, next I will take this out. Now, Hello Kitty carry kit. Just take it out. It's very good quality carry kit. Yes, it's very cute. Put it here. Whoa, it's cute. And this part. Okay, looks so beautiful for this part. Like the butterfly. And the black butterfly shaped bow knot is really beautiful. Also the eyes, nose, necklace also looks so cute. Yeah, it's heavy as well for the carry kit. Yes, here the power bank. What shame for the power bank icon, and also the gadget kit. Yes. Wow, amazing. Yeah, because it's really amazing for this Cobrand product. Next, I'm going to go to the smartphone and have a very quick talk on the specifications and design about this Xiaomi Civi2. And okay, thanks for this part. Okay, now welcome back, and now I've already taken all the other box and stuffs away, and now we just keep the gadget kit, Hello Kitty, and the smartphone here. And we can see here the phone is covered by a sub seal, and I'm going to unbox it and check what's inside this box. And we can see, and also as I mentioned, this time they don't provide a customized smartphone, just use the normal phones. And next I'm going to open it. Well, the colorful rainbow colors they used in the front of the CV verse. Yeah, so this is very shining and very beautiful as well. It's Xiaomi Civi2, and this time we got 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM. And as we can see, this phone was also powered by Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HDR10 Plus high-res. So next I'm going to unbox it. Yeah, okay. Here, another small package is in front of us. This is instructions, quick instructions. Also here is the transparent soft case. Yes, nothing special. Also here is the SIM card ejector. Yeah, SIM card ejector. So nothing special on the first package. And also here, now we can find the smartphone is here. Before we go to smartphone, first I'll check the cable, and also the 67-watt fast charger, Type-C to USB Type-C to USB cable. Okay, so this is accessories inside this box. And next let's go to the smartphone. Okay, here is the smartphone. Peel it. Plastic protect, screen protect first. Okay, and then let's remove the labels. Oh, now we can find that the phone is in front of us, and the back cover, the texture is so special, just like the water waves. Yeah, and when we touch it, we can feel it have special feelings. And this time, they also redesigned the camera part. It has a true camera system, 50 megapixel camera. Here is the LED flashlight, and also, okay, the frame is shining metal. There's a shiny metal, and also it's a curved 3D screen. Okay, here is the punch hole dual front camera system. And this time they mainly focus on girls and females, so we can feel that this phone is really very light. It's only 171.8 grams. For the official website, well, we can also check the depth of the phone. It's only 7.2 mm to 3 mm, so this is very very nice. And also when I hold it on my hand, we can feel it very comfortable and easy to control it with our one hand. And about the screen, and also when we wake up the screen, we can find that okay, it have a full display design, and also here is the dual front camera system. About the screen, this time to provide the AMOLED 6.55 inch and the 120Hz refresh rate screen. The peak brightness is reached to 1000 nits and is burst HDR 10 plus. Yes, we can quickly control it, and we will not lag display refresh rate. Yeah, it's both default and customized. Yes, 6120 Hz rate, 5 fast choose, and also the 3D curved screen is so nice. When we hold it in our hand, it feels so comfortable. The back panel is also curved, so it's really very comfortable to control it, and not feel so tight and hold it on your hand for a long time. Yes, and also this is about the screen. So this is pretty cool, I think. Yeah, but one thing I should mention that this time the smartphone is not customized for Hello Kitty, so the wallpaper and icons are not customized for Hello Kitty. This is I think they should mention. If they can do this better, I think this will be perfect. It's about the screen. I think one thing I should mention is that we know that Apple, they just released the new functions, the dynamic island, but actually for the Xiaomi Civi2 they also can use these functions, but just when you download the app, so we can use this dynamic island in Xiaomi as well. Yes, only thing is that when you download the app, and this time I will not show it how to use it. Okay, and also about the screen, and also about the camera part. You know that for the Xiaomi Civi2, this time they improved a lot on the camera part. You have a dual front camera and a triple real camera system. Yeah, for the real one, you have a 50 megapixel IMX Sony IMX766. It's have a 15 main camera, and also it's the 20 megapixel wide angle, 20 megapixel macro lens. I will show you the sample pictures later. And also for the front one, they use two 32 megapixel front cameras, and this can help us to take the best selfies. I will say for the camera system, this time they improved a lot, and Civi2, the appearance and the camera is really one of the best main features about this series, and I also think they did improved good work on it, put a lot of effort on it. And also about the processor, we go to the setting part to check the processor here, and this time they use the Snapdragon. Here they use the Snapdragon 7 generation 1 processor. It's a 4 nanometers processor. Samsung producing technology and octa-core in maximum support to 2.4 GHz. And it cannot compare with the Snapdragon 8 generation 1, but it's almost same like the Dimensity MediaTek 81000 and 100. Yeah, this is about the processor and also about batteries. This time they have 4500 big batteries, and also it support 67 watt fast charge, and also it can truly charging from 0% to fully to 100% within 40 minutes. So this is pretty cool for such a thin and light smartphone. It's really comfortable, and I really like the feelings I hold it on my hand. Yes, so what do you think of such a nice and beautiful product from Xiaomi Civi2? And also, yeah, the textures and the feelings of the back panel is really so special. I really like it. Okay, yeah, thanks for this part. I'll end the video. I will show you some sample test about the camera. Thanks. Bye bye.